Allo, umegina kilo megina wuti nini. Boto kan kurti chawa aboro ke dak ya pier dek hu ya boro midichie. Tin ko ata ni mero ka chak ki proverb. Kada donyi lok mukene mano aromo wacho ne machigu chigu. Sika joma giromo tikere be giromo tikere. Sika joma pe giromo tikere be sigi wako beru. Proverb matini work man. Achoyo kile monoba. A dog with a bone on its mouth cannot bite. Let me repeat. A dog with a bone on its mouth cannot bite. That is the proverb. Mapudong pa donyo. Ko inja muker mamir loko ne doe. La painti kuman. La painti bene choyo gera kile mur ma chigu marajo roj magoro bene. La painti mi achelti kuman. Megina, politician, lufonye, lecturer, koranganga gini. Ko gonya telo ke inini. What is politics? The question is, what is politics? Although Jamukene giluoni politic, but araluoni politics with S. Donking chamati kere machigu. Politics is power. That is what politics means. Politics is fighting for natural resources. Politics is heart of government. Yes. We talk of political power. We talk of natural resources. We talk about the government. All those are politics. Why do I say that politics is power? Politics is power because those who speak politics, they have power to talk about politics. They have power to change something. They have power to say no. They have power to implement something. That is politics. Politics is scrambling for natural resources. Now, Kabadoktum Batwa Acholi, Koberingomwa Acholi, land is one of the natural resources. Mawanwatikere. Forest is our natural resources. Mawanwatikere. And those are kind of things, Marubami Batwa. Resources can be contribution of natural resources. I know every community tika crumbling, okay, natural resources. For example, the Baganda, they produce coffee, but they want a good percentage to go to Uganda because the Baganda are the producer of the coffee in Uganda. Jamson actually the one who puru pamba. Wacharu, that is our cash crop. It is natural resources. And when that cotton is sold, we need the good percentage out of that. That is scrambling for natural resources. That's why I said politics is fighting for natural resources. The third one, my explanation said politics is heart of government. Yes, the government cannot stand without politics. Government is full of politics. That's why we have parliament, we have representative, we have judiciaries, we have electoral commission, and many others. It is the heart of government. Without politics, we don't have government. Sometimes we have dictator, we have democratic government, we have fascists, we have so many different types of government. Those three are the definition of politics. And now if we come to our brothers, Acholi, for example, disapproving these three terminology explaining politics. If it is wrong, then you disapprove me. One, Odonga. Two, Gilbert Olanya. Three, Alturu Shandano II. Three, Betushwe. Four, Megarian from Nigeria. Unu winyu John again look gitini ni. Look kay winyu look pa Betushwe again ki Alturu Shandano Ulanya Gilbert Kachil Kudonga to ki Ariem Nigeria. They all fight for the natural resources. And they came with a slogan that the Balalo must live. The Balalo must go. Natural resources that our grandfathers, great grandfather gave us. Udonga to ucheru ka chui di guru ka jokulori peki wang maka umero la kugangwa bero ro umero timwa. That is crumbling for natural resources. That is crumbling for natural resources. It's like example, kay share di Buganda kingdom, kay share ka tongo tian mwanya wenki di Buganda kingdom. They will crumble, they will fight for their natural resources. Kichwalu daruti mwaka kinge mwaka bija biju yero daru swali parliament mwaka bija biju yero daru swali parliament uswala gi parliament kamo kusik kachumpi wu kachwalu dunu parliament. That's why I say politics is the heart of government. So gin mudonga Samuel Otto, Betushwe, Ulanya Gilbert, Alturu Shandano II they are playing a very good modern politics. Not politics of divide and rule, not tribal politics. Johnny Tika Lwen for your natural resources. Johnny Tika Lwen for power. Now, Acholi nen bakati waje lo kadaba si wan po before nye an pati ki chwiny mo maraje ko megwa magitiwi gamente, whether you are minister, whether you are general, whether you are police, whether you are any government, whether it is a dictator. Government is the people. Whether it is democratic, whether it is a dictator, whether totalitarianism, all government, every citizen must work, must participate in that government. But their participation in the government based on their merit. Eri non in Jamukero, man community you government a kono benini, uchwalo gigan kwampingo. Uchwalo gigan kwane wegunong teach mabe. En teach mabe, ma kwan ma ero kwano ni, o we tinti ministry, ki mean ministry, tika running the ministry, community director, community general, community anga, community anga because of one. So I don't blame any Latin actually more can matiu igamente. Johnny Berry yangu tiu ketwa ya Johnny. Waki lok ada. Johnny go tiu ketwa. Wabiru kibalala madua ta. Igamente po bore. Ministry po bore no gidua ta. Chris Rakachisi gino tikuno. Hedwa luranga gino tikuno. Rugunda kono rugunda nga mugiti kuno dama duata kerena won mugisa mutu meru wen supporters pa bore donc jo musa mutazinga mende pa bore mu loy to era ye jone mu no gitiga mende pa bore ne balala mu no gitiga mende pa bore no gidoy moy uniform pa UNLA mono ki no wa bota nara elum nga gi ma chwalo jone chwalo lu dugu ma ki gamo ki chwalo ki kwanyo ki bara ki chwalo lum nga gi ma chwalo di Banyankole ento gu buru lingo mot pe winyu ka gi dai kom ge kinge ke kenge eto man meane ba yet da bora jember uno be chunka kwene. Until when are you going to find out the solution to your problem? Solution to your problem, till when are you going to come up with the solution? Okay. Under what you command no making, me achiel. Kong wan no anga mora matika chungi dano. Who is standing for us? Who is standing for the Acholi community? Who is really fighting the good fight, the real fight to defend our community at Acholi? And then what you need, I'm not a tribalistic. I'm not nepotist. I'm pedarma wanyo man kono la gulu, man kono la kidgum, man kono la pade, man kono akla mo, man kono gag, man kono noya, man kono akakwere. No, I'm not that kind. I am for somebody who can stand firm for us. Somebody who cannot change his mind because of money. Somebody who said no, yes. Somebody who really look forward to see that Acholi has the agenda. And Acholi must be rescued from the problem. That way, I still strongly believe, because I have started long times ago following people, politicians. But I come to know that Odonga to Awinyu Kilok Doge. I know people when they talk. But Paul Kagame 2 months ago said, I know idiot people when I see them. And I know stupid people when I see them. But I said, I know people when they talk, because what they talk comes from their inner heart, and that is the real person. I also know stupid people when they talk. Your body language. I know you, that you are stupid. You are bright. You are moderate. You are nothing. With cobwebs in your brain. Gin na mier wan kong tim mi achiel. Wachu kong nung ki ngara achiel ya. Let us really ban Odonga to. Kere kache Odonga to. Pebi nongo. Kui. Ki kamu kene ento no wana chuli kong nongo chungu Odonga to. No wana chuli nongo chung ki Gilbert Olanya. Petere ne arade politician okene. Politician okene. I don't listen them. I don't see what they are doing. They are keeping quiet. And things are running out of hands. Kadunko Bedini, chairman of land board waki Western Uganda. Ki Baganda. Ayido bino ka registering tuer me ngam ki me bua we Acholi. Lutera Acholi pokwano. Jo magiram ti ni pere. Pengo ki nyuara wakumeno. Ini ben wan ya dong ni darma do aknya utamu ne balale dong riak loy wara Acholi. You can Baganda react loy one. This is not completely not racist. This is exactly. Lutera ma me apetika no teach. Kau chua application no share dog teach. Kino nye chaka ki o. Inge ngai ni mana banyanya abakoko abakonyi peki minu teach. Lumegi waka nyingi kono chaka ni akelo kinona akelo konge mierne kichir ki but ka akelo o yaka ki mina akelo teach. Ka peki buru ka akelo pe no position enoni. Mon wa madongi tiyu ne kache boss ma mego bino ma ulalo nyu bagano bino upenyu ni tien mero ko achet keri loji chebut keri ka ukwera sigi riamo ki dok tich. Ani noni wana Acholi put wa riu ni ria. Ko balalo. Kake wani balalo must go. Jomo ken wani balalo must stay. Imo gangu ti kweni. Ngomi ini welo ngom ti balalo. Diangi kubirti barara. Iti agwa ko diangi bara ke ti agwa ko dieli bara ke wa gwer ma mua bene peke keri barara. Pingo gen po jero welo ngomi ruak tora kuno. Salim chale kurudong ubino dong urni rim rieba de gulu. Pingo salim chale po chung gedo apengero menne ruak tora. Acholi wa wetu tina tini chalim chale uberu Somali. Wano beru Somali. Trailer driver. I'm drive trailer chero kay tu Rwanda. Umberu ngeu lalo pagi waro komgi. Nyero raro men sebe ne pen ka nyualo nyeri. Banyarwanda pe mero nyeri jal beru beru Somali. Petike ngombe mo kene di balalo. Mano rio ni ria ni cheri beri Acholi dun kude ye. Yomu ganga ya Acholi. Di beri Acholi. Shit. This is also a challenge to you member of parliament. Utika miro ngam uweko jalitika kelu dano madung ma aki Western Uganda mibiro ngam ngam ya Acholi. Kache wunu member of parliament adama wunu lo adama wunu damo riek wiutiu peko peng parliament kong nimo chiling ma chalim chale miu poko bodano ni loan kono I don't know kono kiloni well creation Banyoro chalim chale is a bank loan makimi chari o mi diku cha pa mi tienu dungi cha penyo ni duak chene wa within 1 week no de duak chene inu peke wa ki profit mo ken ento politika demanding shit a chulo interest and no pay no profit chalim chale no chene inu ni kikwene pingo parliament po penyi ni That's why dar ma chalo donga to mier ki duok ge. Konye pe. Ere noni dano ni yari kiloni la dite dar mun ne woro ne meni ne mero tika mano ngom mero tika tongo yen no weng gamu fudo wa la dite dum kanel bir ma la dite du bir mu ken ki mino dek just only one cham chana chiele ken ka cham no yak lo ka ye windu wandu ngo bul la dite ku la dite ki kote ne mo ko chal kote pa luangi utene wa wechuwa. The first day Imam Museveni took over power in 1986. The first plan mono joining ticket era yeni northern Uganda, the greater north, must be isolated from the main Uganda. That was their plan. But eventually, Imam Museveni exploring northern Uganda, only the land is so beautiful, the land is so rich with minerals and agricultural land. Now, the plan is, let us take their land. Let us kill them. Let us reduce their population. And if need be, we wipe out Acholi from the map of Uganda. Museveni Cheruloga Kenya, Wanyani, Jaluomi Kenya, Kachil, Kacholi, me Uganda. They are from Sudan, which means that we are not Ugandan. Kala did look the one we are from Sudan, and the one poor one, la did no beba, la did lomu. Okay, if we are from Sudan, yes, well and good. Sudan yam boundary neti way. Soroti. That's why British call us the Greater North, from West Nile to the whole of Tejo and Karamoja. The eastern Uganda was not part of Uganda. The northern Ugandans were not part of Uganda. Only the British which convinced us and the Eastern to join the Buganda Kingdom. The Buganda Kingdom was in Central Africa. And that was the only powerful kingdom in Africa, in Central Africa. So the word B was removed and replaced with U, that is called Uganda, mean unity. Now unity government is not working. Let us put the Nile Republic agenda on the table to solve the problem. Permanent solution is, let us go to the drawing board. Let us go back to the drawing board. We can work. We have ability to work. We have ability to govern ourselves. We have natural resources. Come on, makubeki Museveni nyata kini money. That oil was there before the formation of the earth. But no Museveni, money. Don't make drilling from the other side. We are one to a nungin moye. Power station in Karumba. That power station must be built in the side of northern Uganda. Pingoki building it the side of to Masindi. This is racist. I am Kurikikeru, a very big military garrison from the other side. Ngipingone. Acholi mirror rebelling, they should not cross River Nile to disturb one. Okay, my friend, You people, you are sitting on time bomb. I'm telling you. The dog with a bone on its mouth cannot bite. Actually, mun dong utiki chogu kiri dogu peoram karo ginu mo. Kado mundo nero kubiri chanu betu shwe gi Odonga to gi Gilbert Olanya gi Alturu sandano gi dongi tika ko biri chalo men winya matulu doni ode. But bin winya pay tam ni in the bir ko ki chwiri gwar kom tuoli kom dong du chen no biri ki ko winyi chokan papol bin winyi ma ki chen bin winyi ma ki chen bin china wanga tuol why no this thing is I cannot manage wanga tuol reo and this is what Alturu chandano beto shwe Odonga to Olanya Gilbert they are making noise on your behalf one winyu ya potame one po winyu we know. Now we know how politics is going on in Uganda. We know who is who. We know who is a traitor, and we know who is really for our people. Ana for a big hero command railing Odonga to. Odonga to parliament. Olanya Gilbert parliament. Ker la tiena wubi mo ke ken mo bir mo ma chung pi Acholi dok lwen pi Acholi ker ka ti pat mo ken duogo chere parliament piano bi cher ka lwen pi wane parliament nene chok pe bo ti ner mo mar ba bi yab wayo abi with you my next talk abi lo why Nile Republic is a hot cake and we have to talk about it into detail because I have the revelation mayama ketero era da hange why pingoke wajo. So for that, this is enough for today and I wish you a good day until maybe next week. Thank you and have a good day.